see. This thing is heavy. Oh, it's dusty. I'm so excited. So 5 years ago, during the pandemic, I bought this sewing machine. I told myself I would learn how to sew to create clothes that felt more me. But I guess, life happened, the world paused, and so did I. So did I. Anyways, for years it sat tucked away in this corner, waiting for the right moment. And maybe so was I. Yeah. But we're here now, and I'm so happy to open this with you. So let's open and see what's inside. Okay. I mean, we know what's inside, but let's see what it looks like. Oh wow. I'm so excited. Like, you all have no idea. But I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Okay. Okay. Whew, thank you, Jesus. I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's do this. And then this. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's the tube at the bottom of it. Put this right here. Important paperwork. This thing is actually heavy. Okay. It's stuck. Okay. Okay, Joe, you can do this. There you go. We have our machine. Now I need to put it together. But it's finally out of the box. Finally. And okay, I want to be gentle. Make sure that I don't break it. Let's see. Oh, Lord, Lord Jesus. I really pushed the button. It's like a button. Okay, that's the first one. And then this one. This thing was well packed. Like, they were not playing when they said they were going to put this together to ensure that it doesn't break. You ready? Oh my, this is so exciting. Okay. Oh, there's stuff, more stuff. Oh, here is the pedal thing for your foot. It's in here. In here is the cord that connects the two together. What else? Something is stuck in here. or stitches, something. I don't know, but oh, this is the plate. Oh, I guess struggling. Yeah. Oh, and it has little the bottom. It has these. It goes here. But yeah, this is my necky. I say necky. Some people will say nechi, but it is necky. Using some background knowledge, I'm gonna say necky. You know, now really feels different. I mean, the world is still changing, and so am I. But I've realized that the real reason I bought this machine wasn't just to sew, it was to make space for people like me in the world that often forgets us. So, yeah. This sewing machine isn't new anymore, but maybe that's the point. It's a reminder. It's a reminder that dreams don't expire. They just wait for you to return to them. Yeah. 5 years later. Hi. Okay, let's set it up. Put it on the table, and then let's see what gives. But I'm so excited. I really am. Like, inside, my heart is like boom, 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 and my neurons are just shooting everywhere. It's amazing. I'm trying to stay composed, but it's, yeah. Anyways, let's set this up and